What's up, Epic Riders? Got an exciting announcement for you today. We just teamed up EBMX and will now be distributing their upgraded controller kits here in Canada and the USA. The Raton R1 is already an impressive e-moto, built with a high-quality frame, solid pivot construction, and strong off-the-line power. But it has even more potential. Introducing the EBMX X9000 Raton kit, the ultimate performance upgrade. This plug-and-play kit features custom wire harnessing and precision-engineered X9000 controller brackets, unlocking 30% more power and delivering buttery smooth acceleration. The X9000 isn't just any controller. It's the most versatile on the market, designed by riders for riders. Ready to take your Raton R1 to the next level? Upgrade to the EBMX X9000. Available at Epic Cycles.
This is a completely different bike, guys. Not even normal. Wow. Holy. Woo! It is wild. That is nice. All right, guys, so we successfully installed the EBMX X9000 on the Raton R1. We had a couple kinks along the way, but we figured it out. There's a couple settings, of course, you're gonna need to change in your app. A highly intuitive app with so many options, it's unreal. But once we figured it out, and tried the bike out, it was an absolute monster. It completely changes the ride. The throttle is super responsive and smooth, even on the low end. It doesn't feel like, it doesn't shake, it doesn't want to pull you away. But if you want it to pull you away, you can, believe me. And once it gets going, it just rips, and it keeps a real smooth curve going down the line. It just feels unreal. They say it's smooth like butter, it's smooth like butter. So we definitely are super excited. I literally feel like I have a brand new bike, and I'm really stoked about this system, and really, honestly, very, very impressed with the performance. This is a completely new bike. It's unreal. I highly recommend it to anybody that's looking to get to the next level. This is it. EBMX X9000, we will be carrying them here at Epic Cycles in Canada or Epic E-Rides in the USA. You could check it out soon. We're going to have them available on our website, and we look forward to many awesome adventures. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe for more awesome content and adventures. We hope to see you soon. Take care.